Got some 92 gsx-r lowers. Got a lot of scuffs on them. I don't know what these little spots are. Got a lot of scuffs on them. Most of this would come off just by buffing it. But there's definitely some stuff going on there. What I'm gonna do is clean it, scuff it, and find out what damage is actually there. And then we'll go from there and do a little paint work. They don't reproduce these. I can't find any place that does. It's got like these little dots in it. So we're gonna save all those. Probably just clear the whole thing and then start from there, see what we need to fix. Just doing some cleaning on it first. It's got those white specks. I don't know if you can see them or not. This is just a clay bar. There's one right there. Let's try to find a big one here. It's starting to come off. It's going to take some time. I'm going to clay bar as much as I can do since it's actually getting these off. It must just be some kind of paint spatter or something. I'll do that, clean the rest of it up, and we'll get it scuffed down with the gray Scotch-Brite. Yeah, all those little spots, they're all gone now. When we scuff it, hopefully a lot of this stuff starts to go away too. Some of these little scuffs here and there. But we'll see, and we'll spot in whatever needs to be spotted in. Just spraying an alcohol cleaner on there. Got a gray Scotch-Brite. We're gonna scuff the paint. We're actually gonna go over the decals too. Lightly over the decals. This alone is gonna remove a lot of those scratches. Smooth it out. The gray's not as aggressive as the red. And go ahead and get this whole thing scuffed down. Gonna throw some clear on it, see what we're working with. Better. This is the first one here. I got clear on it so now I can kind of see everything. I'm gonna have to do a little touch up here and there. Spray this black. There's a scratch there. Go ahead and mark everything down and then get it sand down again. Just doing some of that touch up, a little bit in there, a little bit up in here. We're gonna do some of the purple. them all done. We saved all those decals. They're not perfect, but we didn't want to replace them all. So they look pretty good. They're not going on a perfect bike anyway. But saving them was definitely worth it. This is the kind of bike that they'll be going on. Classic GSX-R with the tiger stripes. Hopefully after it's put back together, I can get a walk around video of it. If you lasted this long, I just want to thank you for stopping by.